Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I have a special story for you. This story is for listening practice and inspiration. The name of the story is Nothing is Free. Please listen slowly. You can pause and repeat. Leo's Dream. This is the story of a young man. His name is Leo. Leo is 20 years old. He lives in a small, quiet town. The town is surrounded by mountains. Leo has big dreams. He wants to own restaurants. He wants to be successful. But life is not easy. Leo's family is poor. His father, Mark, is a mechanic. His mother, Claire, cleans houses. Leo has a little sister. Her name is Sophie. She is 10 years old. She looks up to Leo. He is her hero. A quiet night. One cold evening, Leo sits outside his house. He looks at the stars. He speaks softly to himself. I want to give my family a better life. But how do I start? When we have so little? Leo feels worried, but he does not give up. His father's words. Leo talks to his father. His father listens carefully. Then his father says, Leo, dreams are not free. If you want something, you must work for it. Start small. Start with what you have. Leo thinks about these words. They stay in his mind. The first idea. Leo notices something. People in his town love bread. But the bakery is far away. Leo has an idea. I will sell bread in my town. But there is a problem. Leo has no money. Still, he takes a risk. Meeting Mr. Anderson. Leo walks a long way. He goes to the bakery. The owner is Mr. Anderson. Mr. Anderson looks serious. Leo speaks with confidence. Sir, I want to sell your bread. I don't have money now. Please trust me for 1 week. Mr. Anderson asks, Why should I trust you? Leo answers, Because I will work hard. I will not fail. After a moment, Mr. Anderson says, All right, 1 week. Leo feels very happy. First success. Early in the morning, Leo carries the bread. He sets a small table near the park. He smiles and says, Fresh bread. Warm bread. At first, people are unsure. So Leo gives free samples. People like the bread. By evening, all the bread is sold. Leo earns a small profit. He goes back to Mr. Anderson and pays him. Mr. Anderson nods. Good, come again. Hard work, every day. Leo works every day. He wakes up at 4 a.m. He walks to the bakery. He carries bread. He sells bread. He never complains. After 2 months, Leo buys a small cart. One day someone says, Leo, why don't you bake bread yourself? Leo feels excited, but also afraid. He does not know how to bake. Learning is not easy. Leo asks Mr. Anderson to teach him. At first, baking is hard. His hands hurt. The bread is bad. One day, Leo feels sad. He thinks, maybe I should stop. Then he remembers, dreams are not free. He tries again. Every day, he learns more. After 2 weeks, Mr. Anderson says, This bread is good. You are ready. His own bread. Leo starts baking at home. His family helps him. His sister smiles with pride. People love Leo's bread. But one day, a new bakery opens. Leo's sales go down. Leo feels scared, but he does not give up. He improves. He listens. He learns more. Slowly, customers return. A big problem. One night, there is a fire. The bakery is damaged. Leo feels heartbroken. But he says, I will not stop. He asks for help. He works again. The town supports him. Success at last. After many months, Leo opens his bakery again. It is better than before. People are happy. Leo says, Nothing in life is free. Not success, not respect, not dreams. Everything needs hard work. Leo did not only build a bakery, he built a strong life. You can do the same. Remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.